Python 3 dictionary creation will be discussed in this video lecture. There are 2 or 3 methods to create a dictionary in Python, and finally how to access elements from dictionary, how to insert key value pairs into dictionary, and dictionary real world application will be discussed. So simple way to create dictionary in Python is, before coming to Python dictionary, we will see briefly about real world dictionary. In real world dictionary there will be some words which will have some values. So in the same way, dictionary follows that method, that concept. It will be having one key followed by values. So this is the key value pair which is separated with colon. So this is one key value pair, this is one more key value pair. I am taking here key as Sachin, which we call him as god of cricket. So when we remember Ganguly, he is called as Dada. So here Ganguly is the key and Dada is the value of that person. Here god of cricket is the value of Sachin. So with this simple example I will explain you. So if you want to add one more key value pair into a dictionary, you can add like this. Suppose if I want to add Dravid, so if you want to add any key value pair, key must be placed in between these square brackets, in which D is the dictionary name. So dictionary of Dravid, it means it will insert Dravid with this value, following value. Dravid is called as wall. So if you want to know in dictionary, in online dictionary, if you search for a word, you will get the meaning. In the same way, if you want to know meaning, what is the name of the Sachin called by the people, so what is the value of the Sachin in the cricket world is, if you want to know the value, you just have to give here key. So if you print this, you will get god of cricket. Oh sorry, here S is a capital letter. Yeah. No, this is not a type sensitive. This is type sensitive, not type insensitive. So Sachin has the value of a god of cricket. In the same way, if you want to, you can print the entire dictionary. If you want to know how many key value pairs in the dictionary, you can print directly by using print statement. Print D is the dictionary here. So entire dictionary will be printed with following key value pairs. Ganguly is called as Dada, Dravid the wall, Sachin the god of cricket. So this is one way to create a dictionary in Python, and one more way is you can simply use dict of built-in function. So in this dict of built-in function, as I told you, so you can use here this built-in function. This is same as this D equal to, so these two statements are equal, so it will simply create an empty dictionary. And if you want to add any element into this dictionary, you just have to follow this method. So if you want to follow this method to add any key value pair into dictionary, so if I want to add one more cricketer name, so I want to add UV, so he is called as the Sixer King. So you can add like this, but now I am creating here empty dictionary, so all these values will be deleted. So now dictionary will contain only UV. So this is the previous dictionary which I printed here. So now the dictionary since dictionary is mutable, it can be replaced with new dictionary here by using dictop built-in function. This is one more method to create a dictionary, and I will tell you best way to create a dictionary. So you can create dictionary by using two parallel lists. So I am taking here as a names is a list which will contain names. So this contains names: Sachin, Ganguly, Dravid, UV, Dravid. It's enough. So values. These are the two parallel lists. Sachin is called as God, Dada, Dravid, Wall. So I have created two parallel lists, and dictionary is like this. So if you want to add these key value pairs into the dictionary, the simple method is first find out the length of this list. So length will be length equal to len of names. So len is a built-in function which can give length of any object. So now for I in range length. So if you want to add element in dictionary, d of names of I equal to values of I. So here I is an iterable integer. It will iter from 0 to the length of the list. So it will iter from 0. So length is 3. So I will start from 0 and end with 2, 0, 1 and 2, and names of 0, that Sachin is assigned with value God. So in this way I am assigning key value pairs into dictionary. So you can check this by using print statement. And so here there is some small syntax list. You should mention start comma stop both. So now 3 are assigned: Ganguly, Dravid and Sachin. Now so this is one more method of creating dictionary using two parallel list. So I think this is useful for you. There is one more method. So you can create dictionary from any iterable. So suppose this is the list, L is a list which contain key value pairs. So now it will contain Sachin, comma. So I am here taking tuple. So this is one tuple. So forget about this. We will see one more method of creating a dictionary. Now I am dealing with tuples. So next Ganguly. So tuples will be having two. Tuple is a pair which will have two values. So Ganguly, Dada, Dravid, comma Wall. So I forgot here tuple ending. So what is this object? This object is a list of tuples. So any object that is iterable can be used to create a dictionary. So it is iterable as well as it contains key and value. So by using this we can create dictionary. So dictionary is like this. For I in L, here and now I will be tuple. So d of I of 0 equal to I of 1. So in this way you can create dictionary by using what I am using concept here is list of tuples. In each tuple I am using key value pair. So these are the different ways to create a dictionary in Python. Now coming to real world any application, suppose I will show you with one example. You may be thinking how it is useful. Suppose the application is to find frequency of word in sentence, that is how many times that word is present in that sentence. So suppose sentence is I like Python is my world, something like this. If you want to find out how many times Python is parameters Python, suppose there is one list. List contains Python I like. So suppose you want to find out frequency of each and every word in that sentence. Here you can use this approach in which dictionary is created and keys in this dictionary are Python, I and like. So what I will do is, first for each and every word I will give it as 0. So what I am doing here is, for frequency of Python I gave it as 0, for I gave it as 0, and frequency of like I gave it as 0. So what I am doing here is, now so what you can do here is, you can check, you can run this for I in sen. If better we take here characters instead of words, PIL. So if I want to find the frequency of these characters in this sentence, you can use like this. For I in sentence, now I will be each character. What you can do here is, if I equal to d of L of 0, d of L of 0 equal to d of L of 0 plus 1. What I am doing here it is, if that character is matched with P, I am incrementing the count of that P. So in the same way you can use this. In the same way you can find the frequency of each and every character. So I think you got my point, what I am describing here. So better to watch it carefully and you can run this example. If you have any doubts, please drop your message in the comment box. I will clear you. But try this frequency of word in sentence application, real world application using this Python dictionary. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this logic will work for you. So goodbye, thank you.